Hello and welcome back to my channel Chitumbuka na Loreni. Tampokelelani vamama na vadada. So in this channel I teach you Chitumbuka. Chitumbuka is a language that we speak in Malawi, in especially northern part of Malawi and other neighboring countries like in Zambia, Tanzania, and other countries. So yeah, in this video I want it to be short. I'm focusing on facial expressions. Okay, so not just facial or just including the head basically. Okay, so because I've already started shaking my head, I'm like no. So if we do this nakana, if you do this, someone will ask you makana, meaning you are saying no. So we also use that. A smile. Okay, nakana is Nakana. Nakana. Mwakana means it will be Mwakana. Mwakana is if you are referring to somebody else. Say you're asking someone else. Say you're saying no. Nakana means me. I'm saying no. So nakana. So, but you can just shake your head. It also applies. Say nakana. Nazomela. Yes. Nazomera. So the way it sounds is the way you write Nazomera. Nazomera. Yes. Smile. Kusekerera. Chimwemwe. Hey, mwasekerera. Kusekerera. Kusekerera. The way I'm reading it, you write it that way. Don't start changing vowels and stuff like that. No. Ku is Ku. Se is Se. Ke, Ke. Le, Le. Ra, La. You know? Yeah. So, kusekerera. Smiling. Kukwia. Angry. Kukwia. Kwi is KWI. There's a video we already made about three-letter, what do we call them? Three-letter sounds, four-letter. Yeah, just look around on this channel because I already explored that. So you can know when I'm saying kwa, you know that kwa is KWA or kwa is NKH, something like that. So kukwia. So when we are smiling, kusekerera, these are teeth. Minu. Wasekerera jinu tu. Tu means white. So if you've really smiled, people have seen your teeth. They're like, you've smiled even to the point of showing us your white teeth, you know. So like, kusekerera mpaka jinu tu. Jinu is singular. Tooth. One tooth. Jinu. Plural. Minu. Jinu is Jinu. Jinu. Minu. Plural. What else? Kulira, crying. Kulira. Or sometimes people say kubobota. A bobota bear. Oh, she's really cried. What else? Okay. This is another. It's also a form of saying no, but in a rude way, in a childish way. So someone is saying something. So you are rude. You are making up your face. Is that you're not happy? Yeah, you can't do that to someone older because it's rude. Maybe you can do it to your friends. Usually when you're young and it's part of playing. But so that's kumwenya. Ku. Ngwe, NGWE. Nya, NYA. Okay. Ngwe, nya. Kunyungunya. When you have a sweet in your mouth. Kunyungunya. Like you are. It's not sucking. Sucking if you want to. That's like sucking, but kunyungunya, something that is just melting on your tongue. You know, that. Yeah. What else? I'm trying to. Oh, like this, yeah? When you're doing your eyelids. Hello. But it can also be creepy based on where it is coming from. So this video is long enough. Probably we should end there. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Zwari Weme Tawonga. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? If you're benefiting from these videos, please leave a comment so I know that I'm speaking to real people, that people are benefiting. Please leave a comment. I would appreciate. Also subscribe to my channel so we can grow this channel together. The more people join, the more people subscribe, the more I will be compelled to continue to do this, to make more videos for all of you. Yeah. Chitumbuka na Loreni. Ye utawonga. Zuwa liweme. Naruta. Bye. Bye.